Morning everybody. This morning I've come out fairly local to me on the hope of seeing short-eared owls. I know they've been sighted here. It might be a little early perhaps in the season, but it's a dry day and I've got some spare time, so I thought I'll come out and have a good walk and see if I can see them. And there's a heron right in front of me, so I'm just going to turn you around. I didn't get a chance to turn you around, it took off. But yeah, it was right there, quite a young one. So as I was saying, good walk, I need a walk, and I thought, well, I'll come here, and if I see something, that's a bonus. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, I don't think you can see yet, but got some cormorants wing drying in a tree up here. So the last time I was here, this was all completely dry, but we have had quite a lot of rain. So there's definitely a bit more water around and a few more birds out there. I think they're probably, I can just about hear, can't see from here and the sun's on them. I think they're probably widgeon. So I'm walking into the sun at the moment, which makes it really difficult to see anything. I'm not sure if I'm a little late for the owls this morning. It's quite a walk from the car park, but that's okay. We're just going to see what's around. So I'm out on the wider area of the fen that I've come to visit. It doesn't feel like an owl kind of morning, although there's something over there. I think it's a crow. It's always a crow or a pigeon. It's a long way away anyway, but I'm heading that direction. It's quite breezy out here. And the sun's gone in a little bit. It looks like blue sky on the video, but it's quite a strange light actually. Anyway, we'll carry on for a little bit. There's definitely something flying in the distance there, so I'm going to go and investigate that first. So it's clouded up quite a bit. It's such a beautiful start to the morning, and it's the light's kind of gone a bit. It's very quiet out here in the middle. Excuse me. So I don't think I'm going to do the full walk round. I can't see anything at all flying. I think I'll just sit here for a little while, just in case anything turns up. Have a snack. And then I'll double back the way I came and maybe go for a little bit of a wander on the inside of the reserve. So I've popped into one of the hides on my way back, just to have a breather and sit down. I don't often come in the hides, I think I've said before, but it's quiet, so there's nobody else about. I'm not going to disturb anybody by eating my snack and videoing and talking to you guys. So as you can see, there is some water out there. So we'll have a look and see what's on the water. We've got lapwing here, and widgeon I can see. Might be able to see more when I get home and look at the footage. Yeah, lots of widgeon, lots of lapwing. It's still, you know, there is water, but not a massive amount of water. So the birds will arrive. There'll be a lot more widgeon than there are now, but it needs a little bit more water, I think. They do flood this actually, so that'll help. But we've had quite a bit of rain in the last few days. But oh, we've got a marsh harrier here. Is it a marsh harrier? Oh, I don't know. Is it a buzzard? It's quite a long way away. We have got a marsh harrier, but it's very high up. It might come in. Oh, I've got two actually. There's not an awful lot of action here until something flies over like that marsh harrier and everybody goes up, but I'm going to carry on back towards the car. So I'm in a hide that I have been in before and seen a kingfisher. So I'm nearly back at the car, so I thought I'll just stop off here just to see if there's anything about. Little moorhen down there. So I'm going to set up and just see if the kingfisher comes in. So, yeah, kingfishers. Fabulous. And there are two about. One just chased the other. Actually, I can still hear them calling. It was worth stopping off again in the hide. I'll just give it a few more minutes. then I need to go. Isn't he just splendid? Fabulous bird. So, no owls, but a kingfisher and a bullfinch. Yeah, I haven't seen a bullfinch for such a long time, so that was really special. It's quite a distance away, but still great to see. We don't get them in our gardens. I know some people do, but we don't. And I don't see them often on my walks either, so that was really special. But yeah, I think it's time to go. But thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, please do. Drop me a like or a comment. It's all very much appreciated. Till next time, take care. Bye.